Guys, how are ya? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Dawn and I'm really happy to have you here. I have a handmade business where I make home decor using African fabric and other vintage or global fabric. So I ordered some fabric from Mali. So long story short, I get my fabric from Africa. So my uncle is currently in Mali, Bamako in Africa. So when I need something, I just reach out to him and he goes to the market, take photos, a bunch of them, and sent it to me to make my selection. So he did that in March of this year, and I can't believe that it's only getting here today. So I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys because I've been wanting to do an unboxing forever. I just never had a chance to do that. So like I said, it's been shipping for the longest time, and I wasn't even sure that I was ever going to get it, to the point where I went ahead and ordered fabrics in the States, which are still very good, but my goal is to order from Africa so I can support the local artisan over there, and you know, just kind of support them and encourage them to continue doing what they're doing because it is great. So long story short, I think that's my package. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know, maybe I'm just doing this video for nothing, but I think it is. And let's open it up and see what's in there. So I am wearing gloves. I'm wearing gloves just because you know, the virus and stuff. But before that, I did clean the box with Javex and soap, so it should be fairly clean. So but I decided to still wear gloves to be safe. My package was shipped literally a week before the confinement was declared, so I think that's why it took this long. But I'm really happy it got here because this only means that I can be buying a lot more stuff from Africa, and I'll get it. I mean, with some risk, of course. But anyway, let's open it up. Let's try as much as possible. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I ordered a lot because I wanted to have a stash, you know, for future collections. So let's put that there. And let's do this. Just gonna move my camera so I can get everything shut. There we go. So my uncle is the best. Uncle, if you're going to watch this video, thank you so much, okay? Because yes, thank you. Okay, let's do this. So this is going to be the first one. Like I said, I've only seen these on camera, so I don't really know how they look like in real life. So this one here is, I'm going to be selling it as such because it's like a painting, right? So yeah, okay, I'll leave it outside just so then it gets aired out and stuff. Oh my god, I'm so happy I didn't buy this one online, because now I would have had two. Anyway, it's just simple black and white because black and white is cool. Oh yes, I've been wanting this color for the longest time. Okay, I look so funny with my, I couldn't find the second blue one, so I just took this one. I've been wanting Mudcloth in this fabric for the longest time. Yes, and I have a lot of it too. Look at this. The color is gorgeous. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. And we have a simple black and white because why not? That one was white and black. This is black and white. Don't ask me what I'm saying, but look at this. Cool. And this is another color, rust. Rust I've been wanting. I've been just wanting the rust color forever. So I got it. So happy. Look at this. It's windy and I'm outside, so sorry for the noise, but I have to do this outside so I can leave all the virus outside. But look at this. Yes. Cool. Oh wow, I have like little, oh see, I didn't even choose this one. This was not in my selection, so my uncle just added small ones for me. I love this. I think I might sell this one just like this, I don't know, but it's just, it's very simple and very cute. Thank you, uncle. Oh, I think these are table runners. Yeah, I think these are table runners. I might just keep these one for myself. I think this is what they are. Because it looks, it's finished too at the bottom. Yay, thanks, uncle. And then I got this one as well. I like how it's mixed, so yeah. Okay, I'll put that here. I'm trying to not have this video, I don't want it to be like 20 minutes. And I have this one, guys. I can make like, I can make different hanging with this fabric. I can make 3 different styles with this fabric alone because of the different colors. Anyway, I'm so excited. And I have another brown yellowish. I'm so happy because these are not the colors. I never used to have these colors before. So my stash just went from like 2 to like 8. Okay, well maybe 10. I wasn't expecting this much. Yay! My uncle is the best. Look at this one, guys. Oh my god. My new collection is coming July 11th. So if you want to stay tuned, if you want to know more about the collection, I'm going to be writing a blog post about it in the upcoming days. I'm going to put it on my website. So if you want to know more about how I source my fabric, where I get them from, about this new collection, sign up to my emailing list. I'm going to leave the link down in the comment below. And also go check out my website. I do have a couple of pieces there. So you might find what you're looking for, and if you sign up to my emailing list, you get a coupon code to get 15% off. Anyways, love this. I already want to use this in the next piece. I have a piece in mind that I wanted to use this with. Here's another one. This one and this one are like almost the same, but they're not the same. Just almost. So it's always good to have more, right? And I have amazing plans for these. Which the funniest thing is that yesterday one of my other order came in. It wasn't fabric, it was the material I used. I was gonna do an unboxing, but anyway, sorry, but it came. So I had plans with this fabric as well as the material that I got here yesterday. So everything just came here right on time. My next collection is going to explode with goodness. So guys, I'm smiling right now because I'm really happy. And last but not least is another rust color. Like I said, I never used to have these colors, so I just wanted to take advantage of it and order a bunch of them because fall is gonna come after summer. It's fall for us here in Canada. So when fall starts, these colors, you know, these colors are fall colors, so I'm gonna get to create amazing pieces with these colors. So that was the plan when I did this. but I can also just use it as much for summer because summer is colorful, right? So anyways, so this is the last piece. This is what it is. How many pieces do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my uncle sent me 11 Mudcloth. Like I said, they are from Mali, Bamako, Africa. I didn't get them here. They are the real one, and these fabrics are expensive. They're not cheap because they are hand painted and hand dyed. So a lot of work goes into it, and that's why I really love them. I love the quality, I love the feel of it, I just love the way it looks, the overall look of it. So I'm super excited, I'm so happy. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna, you know, after I finish this video, I'm gonna call my uncle, jump out, you know, jump up and down and thank him 1,000 times, and after that I'm gonna leave the fabric outside for a couple of hours, and then after that in the evening I'm gonna lock myself in my office, my studio, our basement, and just create pieces, you know, until tomorrow. I might not even sleep tonight. This is just how excited I am. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel, leave me a question, a comment down below, share this channel. I'm trying to grow it. I know I haven't been as consistent as I would like, but I'm working so hard to do that. So share the video, share my channel with anybody that you know who is a mom, aspiring business, who works full-time and just want to get encouragement into like keep pushing and doing what you love, because you know we only have one life and we only live once. So yeah, anyway, dream big. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I appreciate and love you so very much. Bye bye.